Hello friends, day 120, and I started off on the Trent and Mersey Canal, came past the Anderton boat lift and came down to Middlewich, quite industrial along parts of that canal. And then at Middlewich I changed my route from the planned route. I had got some footpaths, but I chickened out. I thought maybe they'd be overgrown, so I went for the Shropshire Union Middlewich Branch, and in fact part of the towpath was overgrown anyway, but never mind, I got round that. And tonight I'm in Church Minshull and having a nice meal at the pub, I hope. Haven't had it yet. And another churchyard, which you'll see shortly. Bit of bad news, big Agnes II is leaking. So tomorrow night I'm going for a hotel and I'm going to check out and see where the leak is and see if it's the same problem that I had before. So we'll see. Patch time, I guess. My feet certainly ache a bit more by the end of the day at the moment, so I'll be glad of a short day tomorrow because I'm meeting Tracy, and then in the evening I'm meeting Ian, and so I shall be having a short day tomorrow, just 7 miles or so, and that'll take me into Nantwich. So let's have a look at a few clips of the canals today, and I will see you on the trail. There's the Badger pub, and very conveniently right next door is a bit of open grass that I shall have my tent on later.